Alright guys, this is the other one, that is IMOU, and this is 1080p Ranger 2, right? So let's unbox it and see what is inside here. If you can see the price here, the price is here already, right? So let's find out. Let's unbox this and see what is inside. So this is also a full HD, 1080p, right? Let's take out this one as well. Let's find out what is inside here. So packaging is alright. So here is the user manual, guide to start, right? So if we are finding it difficult to install this one, then we can use this one. And then let's see, this is the anything is inside this? No, nothing is there, right? It's just the cover. So here comes the camera, right? So this is fully packed, right? Yeah, this is packed. So let's find out. This is the camera, right? This is little bit, no, it's not stable, right? This is the camera. This is the camera. Then we have another box like this. Then inside this charger, if you can see here, there's another user manual here. Then we have two boxes here. Right, so this is the charger cable, adapter, sorry, this is the cable. Then we have this for the mount mounting. So if you want to do the wall mounting, right? So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. So we can easily buy this on Amazon. Alright, thank you for watching guys. Camera.